Good morning, dear students. Now we'll have lesson number 7, output devices, display screens. So today we'll talk about monitors, or in other words, display screens. So what are computer monitors? So monitors are the screens you see with all computers. They just are the main part of the PC, as we mentioned in our previous lessons. And what you see on the screen or on the computer screen depends on the computer program you are running or what you are doing. So computer monitors, they are referred to in different ways by different people. In other words, they have different names. Some will refer to a monitor as the video display unit, or some will refer to it as a computer screen, or some even CRT. So CRT is an older electronic term, but it is still in use. And CRT stands for cathode ray tube. Firstly, I should mention about two main types of the computer screens or monitors. They are CRTs and LCDs. So now we'll talk about CRTs. So believe it or not, computer monitors work in very much the same way as your television set home. So CRTs, they are similar to old TV sets, which we used to have in our home. And the screen was big and it was a bit heavy. And computer monitors, CRTs, they have the same type of picture tube you find in television sets. So the picture tube in televisions is also cathode ray tube, and that's why this type of monitor is called CRT, or cathode ray tube monitors. Now we'll talk about monitor's resolution. Do you know what's resolution, dear students? Yeah, resolution is the quality of the picture, which we can see on screen. So the sharpness or quality of the picture or image is called resolution, as I have mentioned it, and the picture resolution is dependent on, or it depends on the number of pixels shown on the screen. So what are pixels? The more pixels there are to each square inch of screen, the clearer and the sharper the picture image will be. So pixel are the just small parts of the screen, let's say pictures, and the pictures wholly, they are represented in pixels. So as technology changes over time, so does the quality of monitors. As shown here, the older monitors are low in resolution, which means that they have low quality. Monitors today have much higher picture quality or high resolution. And let's talk about VGA monitors. VGA stands for Video Graphics Array. These monitors have a high resolution picture, and they can capable of displaying, let's say, a large number of pixels per inch. So VGA monitors were capable of displaying 256 colors. And this number of colors is normal for daily use. And the Super VGA, so they are extremely high resolution monitors. They are used where just high detail and intricate pictures are needed. And so Super VGA monitors, they can display well over 1 million colors. Mostly they are used by professionals. So what is monitor size? So monitors are measured diagonally or corner to corner across the screen. They come in a variety of sizes from 15 to 22 or even larger. As you see here, the monitor they have different sizes, and Different manufacturers, even they offer a larger than 22, the size. Aside from hardware considerations, monitors sometimes come with special software. Yeah, software for the different monitors are called video drivers. Now we'll talk about LCD screens, the second type of the screens. So the screens you see on laptop, computers, or today's new flat screen monitors, they are not CRT. These computers and monitors just use a liquid crystal screen and operate on totally different kind of technology. And that's why they're called LCD or liquid crystal screens. You will also hear them referred to as plasma monitors sometimes, of course. So flat screen TVs or LCD TVs, today there exist televisions with flat screens. They are flat enough and light enough to hang on the wall like pictures, which means that we don't have to put them somewhere else on the ground. However, we just, besides this, we can hang them on everywhere we like, okay? And that's why they're comfortable rather than CRTs. They're still more expensive, however, than regular CRT televisions, and they come in sizes from 21 to 60, which means that the screen itself is bigger than CRT screen. However, as technology advances, costs tend to drop. When they were first introduced to the market, the cost was around $10,000. But today, we are just only using LCDs, and they are common, and they don't cost just an arm and a leg, which means that today they're not expensive. And this is the end of today's lesson. I hope you liked it, and please don't forget to study the given materials, okay? And do the tasks given on Moodle. Thank you for your attention.